All right, the ramp is now on a lower setting and we're out here with the Big Rock and the Creighton 6S. I'm gonna hit some jumps, see what it's like. Missed. Oh. Whoa. Missed. This thing needs some love, but it'll get some eventually. I'm still having fun with it till it doesn't run anymore. You know what setting that's on? It's on that setting there. So, very fun adjustable ramp. Highly recommended. Full power, full power, full power. Oh, yeah. Well done. Big Rock. That was awesome. Yeah, well done. I'm gonna try and line up. You going for it again? Great. Whoa! No way, it took it. Whoa! No way. That's a good RC right there. That is. I do really like the Big Rock. It's very good. That was a dirty dash. Okay, I'm gonna try and hit that.
If that's all you did, that's not surprising. Nice! On the ground. Wow.
Lowest setting, other than if you're going to put it in storage mode, that's the lowest kicker setting. We're going to try and see if we can hit it. I love seeing it like try and correct itself through the centrifugal force.
It didn't break that front.
It's incredible. Oh, we did.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she let go that time.
It'll just pop back in?
Probably will.
Missing a...
No,
oh, yeah,
it probably
sweet.
will pop back in because it's split. So if you can pop it back in, it might hold for another run. Just check the drive shaft is still engaged. Whoa. Yeah. Sure. Fixed. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you weren't here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. Just in case I'm going to make this a separate video, I don't know.